স্টার্ট বলে দে।
We are going to perform the examination of heart sound. Here, our student is Abhinav Das and our external teacher is Kallur Mondol.
He quickly perform heart sound.
Good. So today I am going to auscultate my subject called Kuntur Molli, heart sound auscultation. Please lie down his side. As a doctor, I am standing the right side of the subject. Subject is Bedor Bodmas. Now I am going to auscultate heart sound over 4 areas of the heart. Let's assume he is now bare body. He has a bare body and no hairy chest. Okay. Measuring the second intercostal space from the sternal angle, I am measuring the apex beat, which is situated in the fifth intercostal space. Half inch medial to the mid clavicular line. And by coinciding his carotid pulse through my thumb, placing the head toward the left side, so the carotid pulse we can feel peripheral. Sir, I have done the auscultation properly.
Okay.
Possibly.
Now just tell what is the procedure you follow to auscultate the heart sound.
First, I just taking permission from my subject.
You did not take any bio.
I take it. I standing the right side of the patient, so it's good to look. That's just
Why you are laughing? Why you are laughing?
Why, sir? Sorry, sir.
What sorry? What do you mean? Are you going to a doctor?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are laughing? That's how you are treating your patient.
Sir, patient.
Carry on.
Okay, sir. So patient is in supine position. Now I am tilting his leg to the left side. So his right side carotid pulse will come to periphery, so I can feel it better. So now I have first heart sound. I have possible. I have first examined the mitral valve, mitral area, which is at the apex beat where I found apex beat. Then I auscultated the tricuspid spirit, which is between the left side, between sternum, lower part of the sternum and mitral area. Then I have auscultated the pulmonary area, which is right side to the second intercostal space of sternum, and then the aortic area, which is right side to the pulmonary area is left side, and aortic area is right side to the second intercostal space, sternum, right side to the sternum. And I have found mainly two heart sound, second heart sound and first heart sound. Second heart sound is okay. Second heart sound, first heart sound.
Now how can you differentiate between the first and second heart sound?
If you say so, the first heart sound is low pitch, soft sound, which is love sound, and 0.16 second, and which is
Start.
and second heart sound is love. Second heart sound is dub, which is high pitch, and it runs for 0.11 second. And first heart sound is properly here, more precisely here in the apical areas, but second heart sound is here in bases, which is tricuspid and mitral areas.
Second heart sound where you heard more precisely the second heart sound.
Bases, mitral area and mitral area and tricuspid area.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. I don't think it is Right. Okay. Next question.
No, you can see the book. I have read.
Do you know much better than the examiner? Do you think you know much better than examiner?
No, I don't think so. ইংলিশ বুঝতে পারছে না, ইংলিশ বুঝতে পারছে না, খুব চালাক, তো খুব চালাক।
Okay.
Okay.
Now you tell me when we not get the heart sound.
If Kuntal grows so many hair in his chest, so it become hairy chest, so we can not be able to hear the heart sound. In case of pericardial effusion, the fluid is will accumulate in the pericardium, so we can not hear. And pulmonary emphysema, which is lungs become rigid, so we can hear.
What is pulsus paradox?
Sir, I have no idea about it.
You don't know?
No, sir, sorry, sir.
What sorry? Why you know? Why you don't know?
Sir, I have just missed it.
Okay. When we get third heart sound.
So third heart sound is normally not hearable, but in case of healthy adults and children, we can hear it. It's caused due to the rapid filling of the ventricle, so we can hear it.
Any pathological condition?
Pathological condition is cause congenital heart disease.
What sir? What?
Yes, sir. Oh, sir. I have remembered, sir. Congestive heart failure.
Okay. When we get fourth heart sound in pathological condition.
Sir, it's cardiac ischemia.
No. You just tell me the definition of the heart sound. What?
Sir, it's a acoustic phenomenon caused due to closure of valves in addition to vascular and muscular components.
What is murmur?
Sir, murmur it's a pathological condition occurs due it's a musical sound occurs due to regurgitation of the vasculature in valve due to its stenosis or incompetence.
Okay.
Now can go.
Thank you.
Got the full numbers.
No. You can go, please. It is my choice. I give you full marks or not. You can go.
ভাই পালসাস প্যারাডক্সটা কি?
নর্মাল কন্ডিশনে
হুম
সিস্টোলিক প্রেসারটা
হুম।
10 mmHg পর্যন্ত কমে যায়, কিন্তু পালসাস প্যারাডক্স মানে ধর কোনো এম্পাইসিমা হয়েছে বা অ্যাস্থমা হয়েছে, তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে ইন্সপিরেশনের সময় 10-এর থেকেও বেশি মানে কমে যাবে, সেটা হচ্ছে পালসাস প্যারাডক্স। এর একটা মেকানিজম আছে, মেকানিজমটা হচ্ছে এটাই যে ইন্সপিরেশনের সময় তো থোরাসিক প্রেসারটা অনেক কমে যায়, তো থোরাসিক প্রেসার যখন কমে যাচ্ছে তখন তার ভেনাস রিটার্নটা রাইটে হচ্ছে তোমার বেশি হচ্ছে,
বেশি হবে,
কিন্তু লেফটে তো কম হচ্ছে,
কারণ ইন্টার প্রেসারটা
কমে যাচ্ছে,
তার জন্য
লেফটে কম হচ্ছে।
হুম।
এইবার যখন লেফটে কম হচ্ছে তাহলে তার সিস্টোলিক প্রেসারটা তো এমনি হিসেব মতো কমে যাচ্ছে, মানে ইয়েতে ইন্সপিরেশনের সময়। তো এটাই হচ্ছে মেকানিজম সিস্টোলিক প্রেসার কমে যাওয়ার, এটা নর্মাল মেকানিজম। এবার যখন পালমোনারি ইফিউশন বা হচ্ছে তখন সেই সিস্টোলিক প্রেসার ঠিকঠাক কমছে না, মানে ইয়ে হচ্ছে না, মানে যে কী বলবো ইন্টারথোরাসিক যে প্রেসারটা যেটা ডিক্রিজ করার কথা সেটা ডিক্রিজ করছে না, সেই জন্য এই পালসাস প্যারাডক্স হচ্ছে। এটা হচ্ছে কেস। থ্যাংক ইউ।